Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make kafta. Kafta is a meatball with potato and tahini sauce. It's very delicious and easy to make. But before that, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you and let's cooking. First, we're gonna start with the ingredients of kafta. Okay, I have here 4 big potato chopped up like this, ground beef. We also have a green parsley, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, half a spoon of 7 spices, 1 spoon of salt, half a spoon of dry coriander. And for the tahini sauce, we're gonna use 1 lemon juice, 2 big spoons of tahini, and 2 glasses of water. First, we're gonna chop the parsley, the onion, and the garlic. First, we're gonna chop the parsley, the onion, and the garlic. Then we're gonna put it on the meat with the spices and the salt and mix it up. In a small tray, we're gonna put a little bit of oil. Then we're gonna do the meatballs. It's not gonna be really balls, it's gonna be like your fingers. Put the potato on it with a little bit of salt and cover. Then we're gonna put it in the oven in the middle shelf with 250 degrees from below and leave it there for 45 minutes or more. Depends on the quantity you have. Meanwhile, we're gonna do the tahini sauce. In a bowl, put the tahini and the lemon juice and 1 cup of water. Mix. Then add the other cup of water. Keep mixing it up until the tahini dissolve. After 45 minutes, turn the heat off from below and turn it on from the top so we can roast the potato. Approximately it's gonna take like 25 minutes. After it roasted, we take it out and add the tahini sauce on it. Then we return it back to the oven with the heat from below on the lower shelf. Wait until it's absorbed all the tahini sauce and then take it out. It's gonna take around 20 minutes. And that's the final look of our recipe today. Kafta or Kofta. Gracias for watching. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment below. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video.